I'm Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. In this video, we are going to work with our Sandstone coasters. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. So today we're going to work with our Sandstone coasters. We do have a square with cork back, and we have a round with cork back. So we are going to press the round today. To do this, you will need a sublimation printer, sublimation ink, paper, and your substrate. We have also extra supplies that we highly recommend. So we would highly recommend a foam pillow, as well as our silicone heating pad, and then of course your thermal tape and gloves. So let's get started. So first we're going to take our coaster. You're going to want to press on the glossy side. There is a matte side that's a bit rough, so definitely don't press on that side. Make sure it's the smooth glossy side. So we're going to place that face down on our item. And we do have templates and instructions online. So for this item, we did our standard 1/4 inch bleed. So definitely check those out. So then we're gonna get our press ready. So again, we highly recommend the use of this. So foam pillow first, and I usually put a silicone sheet on top of my foam pillow just to protect the foam, because sometimes the ink can get on there. Then I would put our coaster. So again, the rough side face down, image side face up, or image side face down. Then our silicone pad. Again, you can cut this down. It does cut 18 inches by 22 inches and can be found online. And then our last step would be covering with a silicone sheet, or you can use a Teflon sheet. And then we are pressing today at 365 degrees for 120 seconds at a light to medium pressure. Okay, we're just about there. So make sure you are wearing your protective gloves. And this is a hot peel, so you'll want to remove all your layers here. And then peel your transfer off. We have tested this with the new Jet Cold DHS, which is a 50% time reduction. So stay tuned for more videos on that, but we do also have a current video on that. So again, here is our Sandstone coaster. It is a little hot. It will take a few minutes to cool down just because of the thickness of it. And then we're going to apply our cork. Okay, so once the coaster has cooled down, you will flip it over to its back. You're going to take your cork. You are going to want to remove the backing. It is adhesive right here, so be very careful when you do lay it down. Make sure you kind of get it right where you want it and then place it down. Just use firm pressure to make sure it gets in place. And there you have one personalized Sandstone coaster. So again, these do come round, or we do have a square available. Check that out online at coastalbusiness.com, where you will find product instructions and templates. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.